Hi, my name is Helen Joy Garcia from Lingayen, Pangasinan. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Pharmacy and I apply a student visa going to Spain. And I'm looking forward sa Cardos V na mas lalong ma-enhance yung knowledge ko when it comes in Spanish culture, yung language nila, and ma-engage sa kanilang rich culture. Phil Global is super helpful sa journey na to kasi when it comes sa mga documents, they will inspire you and they will push you na ma-fulfill mo lahat ng mga documents and they will make the impossible to be possible. My experience in Phil Global, lalo na sa visa application namin, hindi siya madali, lalo na kapag you are a mom, kasi syempre, kailangan mong ipagsabay yung mga documents mo, yung pagiging mommy mo rin na talagang patient ang Phil Global sa amin, lalo na kila Ma'am Irene, kila Sir Birch, lalo na pag may questions kami. They are also one call away kapag you have a questions, you have inquiries, and yun. Phil Global is one of the top immigration services here in Philippines. Phil Global, thank you for being so patient to us, lalo na sa process namin na deny, tapos pinush pa rin kami na ipagpatuloy yung process na to kasi andito na tayo eh. If you have a dream, buti na lang meron ang Phil Global na umaalalay sa amin sa process, sa mga documents. Ayun, I would like to say thank you sa Phil Global. We are so blessed na may mga agent ng Phil Global na nakakausap namin one call away when we have a problem sa mga documents, lalo na nung time na medyo nahihirapan kami, nag-struggle sa mga documents. Thank you for being patient to us. Sana mas marami pa yung mga taong ma-inspire and matulungan ng Phil Global. Especially kay Sir Birch, kay Ma'am Colleen, kay Ma'am Che, kay Ma'am Irene, at sa lahat ng team ng Phil Global. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your patience. And thank you sa pag-guide sa amin during the process for this journey. Yun. Sana mas marami pang mabless na tao and sana mas marami pang mabless na client sa inyo and ayun, more power Phil Global. Lalo na family, especially sa family. Talagang in this time, sa mga family ang pinakakapitan natin. And I'm so blessed because I have a very strong support system. Thank you for my mama and papa, sa in-laws ko na very supportive, and sa mga kapatid ko, lalo na inspiration namin yung baby namin. And also, especially sa husband ko na napaka-patience and napaka-hands-on niya when it comes when I need ng may lapse of documents. Yon. Thank you. Thank you. For those who are planning to go to abroad and study, continue nyo lang yung desire nyo because pray lang kayo ng pray. Kasi hindi naman ibibigay ni Lord yung desire na yan sa heart nyo pag hindi niya tutuparin. And yun, dapat when you are planning, huwag kayong makakalimot kay Lord na siya ang i-please nyo. And huwag kayong mawawalan ng pag-asa. Always believe to yourself na kaya nyo at maging strong kayo and have faith. Faith lang talaga and pray. Yes, I would recommend Phil Global 101% to all people kasi they are very hands-on and they are very one call away pagdating sa mga lacking of documents when you have inquiry. Sulit ang Phil Global and it's worth it.